Are you struggling to get views as a beginner YouTuber? In this video, I'll show you 5 powerful chat prompts that every new creator should use to grow fast. By the end, you'll have AI tools that give you viral titles, scripts, and content ideas, no guesswork. Let's move to the practical part. Here's prompt pound 1. Act as a YouTube strategist. Analyze these channels. Think Media, Nick Nimmin. Give 15 beginner-friendly ideas in YouTube growth for beginners, with trending demand, and low medium. For each angle, promise and why it will get clicks. Let's do our YouTube CT or optimizer. Topic: behind the scenes how I make a $100 thumbnail in 10 minutes. Give 12 title plus thumbnail text pairs. Rules: titles less than or equal to 60 characters. Include one number plus one power word. Thumbnail text less than or equal to 4 words, different from the title. Explain why each pair works. Return as a table. Act as a YouTube scriptwriter. Topic: $100 thumbnail. Can do this? Write a 5-minute script that starts with a strong hook, first 10 seconds, breaks content into 3-5 clear sections, uses short, punchy sentences, good for TTS, ends with a call to action, subscribe plus like. Also, add timestamps for each section. You are a YouTube thumbnail expert. Topic: 3 chat prompts every new YouTuber should use for views. Give me 10 thumbnail concepts with short text, less than or equal to 3 words, clear emotion or action, suggested colors, icon, logo ideas. Explain why each concept will grab attention. Return in a table. Act as a YouTube SEO expert. Topic: 3 chopped prompts that every new YouTuber should use for views. Generate a full video description, 150-200 words, keyword-rich but natural. 15 SEO tags, mix of broad plus long tail. 3 hashtag suggestions, a pinned comment that boosts engagement. Those were 5 chopped prompts every beginner should use. If you want more done for you prompts, check out my Gumroad link below.